and I appreciate your patience. We are ready, and we'll be starting in a few. So, thank you. My name is Adam. I'm the curator of Dance Life Festival, and I am happy to have the privilege to welcome Madu and Doucoura from Mali. This will be their first performance in Kenya, and they have a series of performances. And for this show, they have collaborated with Kenyan artists, one of them being Kake Wakake, Watake Wasitake, who plays the Nyatiti, and Akot Jumadi, our own. Big hand for Kake Wakake, Akot Jumadi. So we are bridging cultures, and it's time for collaborations. You know, the more collaborative it is, the better. I will introduce the artists from Mali one by one. I will start with Makan Kone. Makan Kone plays several things. You will see he plays the big drum, he plays the tam-tam, tamang, and yeah, he plays the drums and the tamang, and dundum. Yeah, dundum. It's called the dundum. It's like the kudundum. You know the kudundum? Yeah, wasawaro. Yeah, that one.
We connect.
We have Madu Kamisoko, otherwise known as Baden Sora. Baden Sora plays the solongoni, he plays the taman, and he also plays other percussive instruments, and he has a very interesting bass. Like, last but not least, we have a friend from all the way from Lagos. Lagos, Niger. He also collaborated with us. Sorry, I forgot to introduce him in the beginning. His name is Olusegun, like Obasanjo. He'll be playing the saxophone. Akot Jumadi, I've already introduced you, but please come. Let's see, she's the one and only Akot Jumadi. Kake watake, kake wakake, watake wastake, ata mkate wapake. That's last and not least, the maestro himself. I don't know how to introduce this guy. He's played with everyone, including who was in Habib Koite's show in 2013 at the Treehouse.
Where?
Were you born? No, he was playing with Habib Koite in 2013 at the Treehouse, and now he's here. Ladies and gentlemen, Mahamadou. Mamadou is the guy. So without further ado, thank you very much. Thank you very much, Alliance Française, for hosting us. And enjoy the show. And there are flyers over there. You can follow at Upstage Limited, where they'll be playing next. And enjoy the show. Thank you very much. Ciao.
Thank you so much. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Wow, ça c'est mignon. Nice. Merci beaucoup, public. Now I'm from Mali. You know Mali? Yeah. Okay, good.
West Africa.
West Africa. Okay. My band, your name c'est Doucoura. Okay? On doit jouer un morceau avec my brother.
Kake Wakake.
Kake Wakake. Okay? Let's go.
I love you, Kenya!
kuja. Hello. Bado mko?